Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our discussion on 10 best no annual fee cards. 0 interest for 15 months and unlimited cash back. Apply for $0 annual fee credit cards. Enjoy 5% cash back and 0% intro APR. Compare the best no annual fee credit cards of 2023. Compare now and save. Balance transfers. 0% APR until 2024. Cashback rewards. Discover It Cashback, CD Simplicity Card, Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, CD Custom Cash'em Card, Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card, Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card, Capital One Venture One Rewards Credit Card, CD Diamond Preferred Card, CD Double Cash Card, 18-month BT Offer, Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. Discover It Cashback, 0% intro APR, 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, then 16.24%, 27.24%. 0% intro APR, 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, then 16.24%, 27.24%. Sign up bonus unlimited cashback match only from Discover. Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. There's no minimum spending or maximum rewards. You could turn $150 cash back into $300. CD Simplicity Card. Intro purchase APR 0% for 12 months on purchases. Intro BT APR 0% for 21 months on balance transfers. Regular purchase and BT APR 18, 24%, 28.99%. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Welcome offer. Earn a $200 cash rewards bonus after spending $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. Rewards rate. Earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases. Extra perks. No categories to track or remember, and cash rewards don't expire as long as your account remains open. Annual fee $0. Card brand Visa. CD Custom Cash'em Card. Sign up bonus. Earn $200 cash back after you spend $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months of account opening. This bonus offer will be fulfilled as 20,000 thank you points, which can be redeemed for $200 cash back. Rewards rate. Earn 5% cash back on purchases in your top eligible spend category each billing cycle up to the first $500 spent, 1% cash back thereafter. Also, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Intro APR 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, then 18.24%, 28.24% variable. Add a subheading. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. Rewards rate 3% cash back on dining and entertainment, 3% cash back on popular streaming services, 3% cash back at grocery stores, 1% cash back on all other purchases. Earn 8% cash back on Capital One entertainment purchases. Sign up bonus. Earn a one-time $200 cash bonus after you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. Cashback details. No rotating categories or sign-ups needed to earn cash rewards. Plus, cashback won't expire for the life of the account, and there's no limit to how much you can earn. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. Rewards rate unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, every day, 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Bonus cash one-time $200 cash bonus after you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months from account opening. Rates and fees. No annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. Capital One Venture One Rewards Credit Card. Rewards rate 125 miles per dollar on every purchase, every day, 5 miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Intro purchase APR 0% intro on purchases for 15 months, then 19.24%, 29.24%. Intro BT APR 0% intro on balance transfers for 15 months, then 19.24%, 29.24%. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. CD. Intro purchase APR 0% for 12 months on purchases. Intro balance transfer APR 0% for 21 months on balance transfers. Regular purchase and BT APR 17, 24%, 27.99%. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. CD Double Cash Card 18-month BT offer. Rates and fees no annual fee and a low regular APR. Rewards rate earn 2% on every purchase with unlimited 1% cash back when you buy, plus an additional 1% as you pay for those purchases. Cashback details no rotating categories and no caps on cashback. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. Intro APR 0% intro APR for 18 billing cycles for purchases and for any balance transfers made in the first 60 days. After the intro APR offer ends, 18.24%, 28.24% variable APR will apply. A 3% fee applies to all balance transfers. Sign up bonus $100 online cash rewards bonus after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. Rewards rate 3% cash back in the category of your choice. Automatic 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs and unlimited 1% on all other purchases. Annual fee $0. Card brand MasterCard. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, share, like, and subscribe my channel.